Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about Laplace transformation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So if we look carefully about this one, n equals to number 1 in here and 8 equals to number 1 in here. So if we use about this formula in here, that should be like this. So n equals to number 1, so we have 1 factorial over h minus number 1 to the power of 1 plus 1. And now we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.